Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Create Wealth, where we talk about Forex trading. How can we trade Forex with the help of expert advisors and robots? Guys, this video I'm creating for the newbies or the starter, like who are very new in the Forex market and they don't know how to install an expert advisor or an indicator, or how to load a preset or a set file. In case if they have some kind of setting or a setting file, then how do they are going to install that? Okay, how are they going to install a set file? So along with set file, since I have created a video earlier also on how to install expert advisor and indicator, but since we have to install the preset file also, so I will be including all those concepts again. So it will be just a video, like if anyone would like to install anything, then they can do that. Okay, suppose suppose just for an example, you must have an expert advisor. So suppose in the case of MetaTrader 5, I am taking an example of MetaTrader 5 just because uh, MetaTrader 5, like mostly people ask me about MetaTrader 5. I have already created a video for MetaTrader 4 earlier, and I said that MetaTrader 5 is almost the same, but people asked me to create a video on MetaTrader 5 as well. In case if you would like to see how MetaTrader 4, like we can install an EA or a preset, then just you will find the description in the video. Okay, uh, I mean in the video description. I'm sorry. Okay, suppose I'm just taking an example. Suppose I have to install an EA on MetaTrader 5, whether it's or indicator. Okay, make sure an indicator or an expert advisor on MetaTrader 5 should be .ex5 extension. Okay, .ex5 extension is for expert advisor or indicator to be used on MetaTrader 5. Suppose this is an indicator, okay, and this is an EA that you would like to install on. Okay, first of all, you should understand, you should make sure at which instrument that you would like to install on. Make sure what financial instrument you would like to use it and what time frame. Both are very important. To install an indicator or an EA, you must know what instrument that you have to install it and on what time frame. Okay, so suppose in this case, like I was taking this example, suppose this is an indicator. Okay, and suppose we have to install it on uh, M15 time frame. Okay, because the whatever indicator that you are going to use, if this is very specific that you should install it on H1, then that is fine. Otherwise, main is the expert advisor. Whatever expert advisor that you are going to install, you need to like if the advisor or the EA provider asked you to install the indicator on the same time frame, then you will be using that. Okay, otherwise there is no specific, like in case if you have to use an indicator independently, not along with expert advisor, then you can use it as per the time frame that has been provided or suggested for you to use. Otherwise, if you are using an expert advisor, then an indicator has to be used accordingly. Okay, so suppose this is an indicator and this is an expert advisor file. Suppose we have to use it on gold and euro USD. Suppose we are taking just two examples. Okay, so first of all, just copy these files. Suppose I have to install this EA and this EA. Okay, euro USD EA and XAU USD EA. Suppose I'm copying this. Now the steps are the same for mt4 and mt5 both. Make sure you understand. Go to file, go to open data folder, go to MQL5. Okay, as I said, for MetaTrader 5, it would be .ex5 file and the folder is MQL5. Click on that. Okay, so what we are going to install right now is the expert advisor. So open the experts folder and paste it over here. Okay, simple. Now if you want to install the indicator also, just select the indicator. Suppose this is the indicator. I'm just taking an example. Okay, just select this indicator, go to the same folder. Okay, we are not going to install it on experts because the EA files are for this purpose. For indicators, there is separate folder, indicators. Click on that, paste the file over here, indicator. Okay, this is just an example, guys. I'm just giving you an example. Now if the EA provider has also provided you some kind of settings in terms of set file. So make sure for indicators and EA the extension is .ex5, and for the set file uh, this would be .set. Okay, the extension would be .set. Suppose this is the set file. Okay, and the set file will also include like at what time frame that you have to use and which financial instrument. Okay, suppose this is the set file that you have to use. So we are not going to copy this one, but we make sure that we know where this file is. Okay, let's install the EA first. What we are going to do, we are going to click on tools, we are going to go to options, we are going to check these two things, allow algo trading or and allow DLL import. We are doing this so we do not have to do it again and again. Okay, if we are not doing this, suppose this is like this. Okay, in case of yours it would be like this, algo trading, because we have not enabled the algo trading yet. So if we are enabling algo trading, algorithmic trading, and allow DLL import. Okay, if we are clicking on that, just see this red will turn into green. Okay, so we enable the algo trading. Now we are going to install the EA and the indicator. Okay, suppose okay, so we have pasted it. So what we are going to do is that we will click on indicators, refresh, expert advisors, refresh, since we have both, right? Indicator, this is the one that we install, so it will show it over here. Expert advisor, this is the one. These are the two that we will be using. Okay, so people who are not finding many other instruments over here, maybe just when you install and on MetaTrader 5 or MetaTrader 4, whatever, first of all you will not see all the instruments over here. So what you will do, if you are not if you find that there are very limited instruments over here, then you will just click on symbol, right click on symbol, and click on show all. Okay, when you click on show all, you will find all the instruments that are available to trade with this broker. Okay, so now the next step is expert advisor, right? So on you are advised to use Euro USD on an M15 time frame and gold also in M15 time frame. So what you will do is, I am just closing all this so I make you understand easily. Okay, what you will do, that you will find Euro USD and XAU USD. So Euro USD is here, we will right click here and click on chart window. You will right click here and click on chart window. Okay, so now it is open, but this is on H1, and we, according to the settings what have been provided to us, or the EA has to install it on, it is on M15 time frame. So we will choose M15 time frame, Euro USD M15 time frame. Now it is perfect. Okay, we will either double click over here or just select it and drag it over here. It is same thing, right? We will either double click, suppose we are double click, so allow algo trading is already on because we have already set it up. Inputs, in case if you have any kind of setting, in this case we are going to use the set file, right? But see, there are two options. In MQL5 you will not find a place where you can put the set file. Either you can just copy the set file anywhere in the system, or either let it remain on your system and you can select it from here. Okay, suppose this is a set file, suppose this is a set file. Okay, and here you can suppose you are putting it on, suppose you are putting it over here. Better you can keep it on your computer system, like in this case, suppose this is a folder that I have created and I have kept it over here. What you will do, go to MetaTrader 5. Okay, now you have to use the preset, right? Click on load. Okay, so it will come, just select where you kept the set file. Okay, make sure just use the set file, just click on set file, whatever, wherever it is there on your computer, just select that and click on open. Okay, so whatever settings are there, it will come over here, just click on OK. Okay, This is the way that you will install an expert advisor and a set file. I hope you are able to understand. Okay, we have not used the indicator in this one. Let us try on this one. Okay, suppose we have to install it on gold also, XAU USD. So what we will do, we will find where XAU USD is. Okay, so XAU USD is here, gold versus dollar. We will right click on it and we'll select the chart window. Okay, so it is also on M15. It is also on M15. Suppose we have to install the indicator also. Okay, so since we have already pasted the indicator over here, the process is the same, whether just drag it over here or just right click or just double click. Okay, suppose this is the one. Okay, it is all right. We will click on OK. So this is indicator has been installed on the chart. Now you have to install the EA. Okay, EA has to be installed on M15, the same thing. Okay, we will just either just select it and drag it, or either just double click. We'll just double click inputs. Suppose again we have to use a set file for this. If you do not have a set file, there is no worry. In case if you know the setting, then you can change it over here, whatever you want to manually. Okay, but suppose if you have a set file, then what you will do, again the same thing, you will click on load and you will select the location where you kept the set file on your computer. Okay, you will just select it and click on open. Now you are using the set file is already here. Okay, and just based on the setting, whatever you want to do, just click on OK and everything is done now. Okay, it is blue means that the EA is working, you have installed the EA correctly and everything is fine. But if I click on algo trading off, it will turn red and it will turn white. Okay, so this makes sure that you have installed the EA properly, and indicator also you have installed, and you have also installed the set file on the same. Okay, set file, just make sure there is no separate folder in MetaTrader 5. However, in MetaTrader 4, if you go on MetaTrader 4, there is a separate file for presets. File, open data folder, all the same procedure, right? In the case of suppose we need to install an on EA, we'll click on experts, we'll paste the file here. Indicator, we will paste the file here. If we have the preset, the set file, we will paste it over here in the preset. But in MQL5 there is no such option. I mean, in MetaTrader 5 there is no such option. So you can just have that file wherever you are convenient with. Okay, and you can just select it from the system itself. Okay, the same way I'm just showing you right away again. Suppose this is the setting, you have installed the EA. Now you will click on load and will select the EA, the location of the set file, wherever it was, wherever it is. Okay, maybe it is on desktop, whether it is like whatever, it is the same process that you find image or a file on your system. Just find the file where the set file is, just select it and click on open and click on OK. In case if you do not have to change anything, then just click on OK. So everything is fine. You install the EA, you use the presets, and you also install the indicator. I hope this will be useful, or I don't think like there would be any problem later on. I have included the MT4 videos earlier, and I told that the process is the same. But yes, there is a separate folder to paste for preset in MT4, but in MT5 there is no such folder or no such option. So you just have to click on load and select the set file wherever it is on their computer. If you are using a VPS, so it's the same way you can paste these files on your VPS and just select that particular location whenever you click on load, and just select that particular file wherever it is. Okay, so it is that simple. So thank you very much, guys. Hopefully you like this video. So just subscribe to my channel, and if you have any question, feel free to comment. Thank you very much.